Ready to unlock the power of data-driven decisions for your WordPress site. First, make sure you are logged into your WordPress admin dashboard. This is where we'll begin the setup. We need to access the WordPress interface to edit files and install the code. Next, navigate to Appearance section on the left-hand side and click on Theme File Editor. This is how you'll access the core PHP files of your theme. So be careful and make sure you have a backup should anything go wrong. You will see a warning stating that you should not edit theme files. Ensure your theme file is always backed up before making any adjustments. Select the theme you are currently using in the drop-down selection box. Then click I understand. Now, go to the theme files. The file we want to find is the header file and click on it. This file controls the header section, which is where we want to add Google Tag Manager. Now, head over to your Google Tag Manager account and find your specific container ID. There are two pieces of code. You'll want to copy the first code snippet, which is the one that goes in the head section of your website. Go back into the header file within your WordPress admin account. Locate the opening head tag. Paste the first Google Tag Manager code snippet directly after the opening head tag. Back in Google Tag Manager, copy the second code snippet. This snippet is for users who have JavaScript disabled in their browsers. In the header file, look for the opening body greater than tag, or the beginning of the page content. Paste the second snippet directly after the opening body greater than tag. Once you've pasted both snippets, click the Update File button at the bottom of the screen to save your changes. Now go back to your GTM account and create and add a new tag to test this connection. Then go into preview mode to make sure it is properly reading data from your website. Congratulations! Google Tag Manager is now installed. You can enhance your website performance with seamless tag management to start tracking and analyzing your website's data with greater control.